Hey there, Sydney Brown, top writing tip of the day. We're going to talk about avoiding the one-dimensional characters. Now, if you don't know what a one-dimensional character is, it's a girl or it's a guy. You don't know anything about them, but you just know that they're in a romance and they love this person and they fall in love and they live happily ever after. It's a fairy tale. It's not a story. You want to create a character that evokes emotion and let them be flawed and tell us, maybe they're bullied as a kid, maybe they have dyslexia, maybe there's something maybe they're going through cancer. I don't know. Give them some complexity. Let them be someone worth reading. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Make sure you subscribe.